Hello everybody, it's Dani the Wicked Awesome Gardener here at the new homestead, and we're doing some more cleaning today. I have a special guest with me. This is my...
I didn't know you were going for the hug.
That's gonna be
for a ta-da.
Ta-da! That is gonna be a wonderful outtake. No, it's going in the video, but it's just gonna be nice for like a blooper reel
Yeah,
later.
at the end, like you did that one time with the...
Yes. Yes, but this is my eldest spawn. This is Arrow. You guys can call her Ro. I figure my kids on here, you know, they're just gonna use their nicknames on here, Ro and Ray. So here we are in the new homestead, which is still very much a mess, but we're here to do some more cleaning today. And today we have a special guest. Oh, you got surprised with two. Look it. This is the sweet kitty that was here on our first two visits, who apparently is not loving being picked up, but oh man, is she sweet. I don't know if she has an owner or if she lives here under the house. The neighbors are here and I waved hi, but they didn't really respond with anything, so they might just feel a little uneasy. I'll go and try to introduce myself later after we do some cleaning and stuff, but yeah, we're gonna get to work. I'm gonna throw some paint on the walls. So you, child, go clean your room. So today we're going to be cleaning out the bedrooms on the ends of the mobile home and scrubbing here in the kitchen and trying to get as much clean as we can. But I'm also going to have a little bit of fun, and I've been talking about paint colors. I was going to put a poll up here on YouTube on my community tab, but I couldn't quite get pictures of the colors to work that well. So I'm just gonna throw some on the walls. I put them up on Facebook for my friends to debate. And so I'm gonna put some on the walls and see what you think. I would really like to do a dark slate blue in here because I love that color, and with the white ceiling and all the white trim, I think that's gonna make it look just really nice. The other option was to go all white with everything and then do blue colored cabinets. So that may be an option. All I know is that dreadful peachy orange has to go. Ugh. So I'm gonna throw a couple on the walls that I've narrowed it down to. A lot of people were pressing me to go for a lighter color, but I'm telling you, my heart is saying that blue slate is where it's at. So what I've narrowed it down to is glass sapphire and blue beads. So I'm gonna throw it up here and you guys can tell me what you think. I love that. I love that. I don't care that it may be dark. I love it. And blue beads. All right, what do we think? Personally, I'm feeling like neither is quite right. I'm really leaning toward this glass sapphire, but we're gonna let them dry and see how they look afterwards. Now we're gonna go check in and see how the cleaning is going in the back bedroom with Ro. Already things are looking up. Woo!
What's happening?
This kitty, oh my goodness, she's just the sweetest.
She's been sitting up there by the window.
Hello, editing Dani here. My camera actually ran out of space. I should have cleared it out of stuff, but I've got stuff sitting in there that I want to do other shots with and all of that. So it got cut off there, and we didn't get the before and after shots that I really wanted to get. So that's all we get for this video. I'm going to have an update coming up in my next video on the chickens here and how they're laying after a month and a half-ish on the Tractor Supply feed. And yeah, the results are interesting to me anyway. Yeah, so stick around for that video. It should come out in a couple of days. I know I have been off the YouTubes, aside from a couple of shorts. The last couple of weeks, it's been really busy starting Matilda rehearsals, but I've got a lot of footage now that I'm editing up for several videos, so should be a lot of content coming out this month. Also, my TikTok is going insane all of a sudden. The last 3-4 days, like, I've never really posted over there, and I posted some videos on the renovation, and every video I've ever done, not that it's many, but they're all trending. It's insane. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.